Another is virality-based contest. So you are creating a contest. You are giving people a reason to share information about your business. You are giving people a reason to promote your business. And there are some categories I put in here. There's share to win, there's vote to win, there's compete to win. So let me just quickly talk about it. There was a time I ran a promo. I was giving out a free material, or this was targeted at business owners that are trying to raise money for their business. So I created a material that contained information about investors, their contact information, how to target them, right? For anybody who is trying to raise money as a business, this is a very valuable tool. And guess what? That tool was free, right? So what I did was, for you to get that tool, you had to share, okay, before the tool, there was a course. There was a small course, free course too, free course. Now, before you get the free material, you had to share the course on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. There was no TikTok at that time. So it is only when you share it on social media, that is when I send you a copy of the book. So even when I said I was doing it manually, share it on social media, tag me, and then send me an email, and I'll send you once I confirm that you shared it, I will send you the report. That gave me a lot of visibility, because I ended up getting consulting clients who are like, I don't want to do this fundraising thing by myself. I want you to support me, help me develop a business plan, help me get my documentation ready. I want to become investment ready. I want you to train me, things like that. All of that came from this viral thing, because I created something that people wanted, and I did not charge money for it. Instead, the money I charged for it was, if you can share it, I'll give it to you. So what that did was, it ended up attracting people who wanted this thing so bad, because sometimes people are willing to give you money rather than stake their reputation and share something. So even asking people to share something on their social media is a higher cost than asking them for money. So what I was asking for was even more expensive than money. And there were a lot of people who got involved in it. So share to win. There's vote to win. I've done this sometimes. So particularly if I'm trying to reward my loyal customers or loyal clients, I might put up something that they can win. Many times it's grant money or something. There's something available there's one actually running now where, if you're one of the existing members in this BMG Academy, you can compete and win for a grant, a 1 million naira grant, right? And one of the ways you qualify for the grant is to let people know about the grant so that they can vote for you. They come into our platform and they vote for you. What do you get? The more votes you get, the higher your chances are that you might end up being one of the winners of the grant. What benefits do we get? Marketing. There are a lot of people who didn't know about us that these people are bringing into our universe because they want them to vote for them. So they get into our universe because there's a competition going on. So that is the voting to win part. Then the compete to win, which is also similar to the granting I told you about. If different people are competing for a prize, guess what? They are going to, and there's voting involved, they are going to create buzz, they are going to promote, they're going to do a lot of promotion for you. They will mention you in passing, they will mention you directly, all in a bid to enhance their chances of winning that competition. So even brands like Coca-Cola and the rest of it, they will create campaigns that would lead to competition. The guys in the entertainment industry, they do this quite a lot. They come up with a new music, a new track, and they ask people to come up with a dance or come up with a beat for this song. And the winner will win a certain amount of money, $1,000 or something like that. And this is on social media. Guess what happens? Virality. People are displaying their dance steps, they are sharing, they're asking people to share, make sure you get, and all that buzz, all that variety is creating marketing for that thing, right? So it's a very creative way of marketing that ends up getting you results that you may not get if you go and pay money or pay one influencer to get it done, right? If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.